Hello, 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 hello. Hi everyone. Hope you are all well. So I'm back with my ninth video after a 2 day of rest as I have achieved like big things. So I went on a gap or you can say a rest. So I'm back. So Assalamu alaikum everyone. And let's start with what I have like accomplished and what I've done. So today is Monday, I think. Oh, sorry, today is not Monday, but today is Thursday. Yeah, see, I've not updated the day also. Sorry. So today is Thursday, 20th, 23, yeah, 23rd. Oh, sorry, it's 23rd, 23rd April, 23rd. What is 23rd? Yeah, it is 23rd April. So yeah, let's begin. So what we did in the studies. So for the studies, I have completed the C++ for C programmers part B course. So this was actually the last course of C and C++ for everyone by the University of California, Santa Cruz. So I actually completed the specialization. So first, let me show all of you the proof of my completion. So yeah, wait, let me show you the course certificate. Sorry, the specialization certificate I got. Yeah. So you can see this. Yeah, I completed this on April 20th. You can see, and I went on a gap. So I just came back. So yeah, see this specialization consists of four courses. This C for everyone part A and then C for everyone part two structured programming and then C plus plus for programmers part A and then C plus plus for C programmers part B. So two courses for C, these two were for C, and these two are for C plus plus. So yeah, this I was in this course and I completed this and I eventually completed the specialization. Yeah, Ira Paul was my instructor or professor, you can say. He was teaching, and yeah, this course was like absolutely good. It taught me C and C++ both. It taught me from the basics of programming how to handle pointers and data memory algorithms, BFS, different algorithms and searching algorithms like Monte Carlo and different uh, like and bubble sort was there. Uh, and then hex like the graph structures, trees, hex, list, vectors, array, and all those. So yeah, this course was actually, you can say a little tough, but yeah, I enjoyed doing the course. Yeah, this course took a time of like 2 to 3 months for me because in between I had just paused the course because I had my university exams also, so I had to stop the course and I was focusing only on the university studies. So then after the exams, I continued and you can see I'm done. And so yeah, let's move to the what was my final project for this. For this project, actually, yeah, I actually had the project to implement this Monte Carlo AI, simulation in a Hex-Game. So as we have discussed in the last video, we had in the last video when I was in like the second last module of this course, I was like I made the hex game where two human players, you can say, can play. But this time it is like me or you versus an AI, or you can say just a computer. You can say, yeah, AI. So actually, let's move to the course and let's move to the word and then I will refer back to what actually I meant. So let's move to the concepts. I will try to explain you as much as I can. And sorry for any misunderstanding and mistakes I will make. So So let's start. So yeah, this this I explained you in the last video of how I made this hexagram. So now let's start with this. So actually, this is the hex board. Like we have two teams, okay? Like the red one. Let's say this is the red. This is the red, okay? Wait, wait. Yeah, yeah. So this is the red thing. You can say this was red. Okay, let's take these two sides for red. So actually this means that the red player or the red team will start from here and they will like end here. So this is the place where if they can reach from here to here, okay, then they will win. And for the blue team, we have a blue team. Let's take the blue team from the blue team is from this side to this side. Oh no, my hand. Sorry for and I make the diagrams from my mouse pad. So that's why it's actually like this. Yeah. So the blue players will start like from here and will end here. So if the blue team goes from here and like reaches here, then they will win. Okay. So now this Monte-Carlo AI game, which I made in the project Hex-Game. Actually, in this, I have like let's say the red team is the AI and the blue team is mine. So this is me. Let me change the structure for like green. Yeah, this is me. This team is me, and this is AI. Okay, for the star, it became a star. So yeah, this is AI. So what actually happens is, let's say the blue team always uh, like leads the first star. So let's say I will put my blue stone here. Okay, so blue stone here. I put my blue stone here. So what the AI will do? AI will like um, first what it will do? It will put let's say it puts the a red stone here. Okay, so it will put a red stone here, and what the AI will do is that it will like make a copy of this board. It will make a copy of this board, this hex board, and when it will make a copy of this hex board, let's say it made a copy of this hex board. Okay, let's say it made a copy of this hex board. Uh, and what it will do, it will like put the blue here, okay, and the red here in the same position. And in the next move, it will like calculate the possibilities, or you can say the probability of like let's say I run this next chance like I will get to put the blue. I will put the blue in this. Okay. So what the AI will do next is that uh, it will copy. Yeah, as you can see, it copied the board here. It copied the board here. Okay. So now, as it is, it will put the stones also in the same place. Then what it will do, it will generate thousands of ghost boards. You know, you can say ghost boards or simulations or like trials in which these three stones will be in the same position, but it will replace it will place a red stone here, and blue stone here. Okay, a blue stone here. So what it actually does is that it will make a light. what I see, what it will make a like thousands of possibilities and thousands of random possibilities of keeping the stones in the random position. And what it will calculate is that it will calculate the percentage. Okay, like what is the percentage of winning for me if I put a red stone here? What is the percentage of winning if I put a red stone here? So what is the percentage of me winning if I put a red stone here? So after doing this all, it will now it will compare also in the same time that which has the most higher percentage of winning here. Like see here, if it puts the percentage of putting a red stone in this box is the highest, then what it will do? It will put the red stone here. Okay, and then it is my chance for me to do. And like sorry, it will not put the percentage will not come here, but it will come here for him to win because it has also to block it has to block me for winning. So that's why. So after calculating, it will move it next movement. So after doing multiple of times and thousands of times, it will after calculating, it comes to like it takes every decision like this by calculating the next move according to the percentage. And after doing that, the AI eventually wins. So actually, this hex board is a game like in which mostly or you can say that every time one player will eventually win because it is designed in the way. So it is not um, like a draw game. You can say anyone will win. So yeah, this was like a simple explanation of what will the AI do. Just like it will just see the percentage of winning here. Okay, in simple terms, like simple. I know I have made it a little bit complicated by explaining. Like it will calculate the percentage, and where the percentage will be higher, it will place the redstone, and then my next chance, and I will do that, and the AI will do that, and so like this the game will go. So let me show the code for you. Yeah, this is the code that this is the code of the Monte-Carlo AI app. You can saw the game. So how many let me see how many lines I have. Oh yeah, it is 273. This is the highest lines of codes for not like in my whole life, but in this course because I also completed CS50 course by the Harvard University, and there I made an app. You can see the app in my video only. Like not in this video, but in my YouTube channel only. I have made it, and it had like the most number of codes. Yeah, so I have shifted from the topic. So yeah, let's see the code. Yeah, this included the libraries. It is same like the earlier one. Yeah, this is the piece of code empty, red, blue, and red. All those. The class empty zero, blues. You can say one, and red is two. Just for like easy understanding, I mean, this is the class hex board. Okay, this is the class hex board, and this is the function that displays the hex board. Like you can say printing or making the hex board. This is the function, helping function to check if the next stone we are placing is legal or not. This function will check. And the make move. This will make move. Like if you want to place the red stone here, so this will make the move, and also print if the move is not legal. This is the this is the Yeah, this is the function that gets the neighbors. Okay. So what it will search for the neighbors, like if they are connecting or not, they are neighbors or not. That's why by seeing the neighbors only, we can say that if a team has won or not by seeing if the neighbors are red or blue. So yeah, this function this checks the win if we won or not by checking the neighbors. Well, okay. So this is the loop for that. Yeah, this is the function overloading. We actually here in this check we are taking a test board. Okay, test board. So what did the this and this if, we haven't specified a board, then we'll take the current board which is in the class. So I'm not going into deep technical details. So yeah, this run simulation function. So yeah, this function is like the fill in the blanks function. Yeah, you can see here only that what it does. It like fills the. You remember when I told you that the AI will like take the copy of the board and will like runs thousands of simulations. So here, this function, all it does, it takes the board and it places like a random number. See here, we have used this. This makes the random number of like generates random number, and by using this, we place random like blue, red in the test boards. And this will like calculate. This will make the can see it will run the simulations, and here we are checking if we won or not, and this will return the checkpoint true or false. And this is the best move, get best move. Okay, this gets the best move by calculating the highest win rate. See here we are calculating the win rate by number of wins divided by number of trials. Here we have spread thousand of trials. Here we have thousand of trials, so we can manipulate the trials because for long simulations, like long numbers, the program may go slowly, it may go like because of the copy and move. And like for 3 by 3, we have for like like till like see if we have the 11 by 11 boards, then it will be like it will go like 1100,000 trials. So that's why the computer will be slow. So we have to put the trial numbers in like we have to decide whether to put a small accordingly or larger number. So this is the main function here. We are printing, asking the player for the size of the board. Then we are initializing the hex board. This is the class we made, and this is the choice. Yeah, choose your color, blue or red. And this is the like we're converting, checking who is the first player, blue and all that. This is the while loop that will run until the game is won. Yeah, and the video will go long if I like explain all the things. So yeah, this is all the code that I have written. This is the project I did. So let's run the code for time. So this plus hex no, sorry, it is not a hex type. It is G plus plus Monte-Carlo AI CPP/O A dot. I have to cancel this dot. Yeah, dot slash A. So here we are taking three board sizes. So and we will take the blue. C. Now we have got the one, two, three. These are the columns and these are the rows. So now it's my turn. Like I will take. Okay, I will place this. I will place my blue here in this. Okay. Let's take A comma one. See, I have put the blue here, and see, I also made the AI thinking print. Okay, like it for I told you, it will check the spots and how much percentage for winning. So it is testing like A2 and A3. A2 has 43.9%, and A3 this 42. This is 43.9%. A3 is having 49%. B1 is having 29%. So see, you can see the percentage of winning here. So which has the highest percentage, the AI will place there. Okay, so yeah, this B2 is having the highest percentage. Okay, so it will place in the B2. Yeah, see, you can see B and this column 2. It plays the red here. Okay, so this was actually the thing. Let's complete the game first. Okay, I'm ready. B2. See, it blocked me like B1. Okay. Where is the red? The red way. Okay. C, comma 1. C. The AI means okay. So yeah, this was my code. Now let's move back to the MS Word. So yeah, where would we? Yeah, we have done the C++. Now for the Chinese beginners, yeah, I'm in the same in the module 5 of the course, and I'm like uh, not for doing this as I did the C++ like I was in the mood to complete it. So actually, in this Chinese for beginners, earlier video we did the directions like forward, back, and all. So in the module 5, now I'm in like yeah. So for the Chinese, uh, for module 5, we live in the big city. I said, I was in the directions, and now for we have transition into the weathers. Okay, so like, what is the temperature today? Actually, sorry, it is not module 5, but I was in module 6. Okay, module 6 is how about the weather. So it is like how about the weather. Okay, so here I learned about the weather and all like cold and rainy. Like rain is like something like you okay. So in like in Chinese, let's say you want to speak. How about the weather today? So you will say like Jin Tian. Okay, so Jin Tian is you can say today. Yeah, today. Today. Jin Tian Tian Chi Zhen Mei Yan. Okay. 今天今天 season okay. So yeah, it is actually like 今天天气怎么样? So 今天 is like today, and 天气 is weather, and Zenmayang like how about means what? Like so we see like 今天天气 Zenmayang. How is the weather today? Like how about the weather today? So we can answer like 今天下雨。So 今天下雨. So it is like today it's going to rain today. Like today it is going to rain. Yeah. So yeah, this is just a little demonstration of actually I'm like I'm not like you can say I'm seeing and speaking a little bit. So I haven't like become an expert or like I know all the words. I get interrupted in between. I also forget. So it is just like a natural process. So yeah, let's move to next. So for the sports, yeah, I'm the same in the calisthenics and pull-ups, push-ups, and hollow body hold. Now, I sorry, I didn't do this of like push-ups, pull-ups, and reps. For football, yeah, currently I'm having match every day because seasons are coming. So thank you for listening to me, everyone, and sorry for any or alter things or weird things like I'm saying. So thank you for everyone and share like a love and inshallah we'll meet the next posting there. Thank you.